Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Toyota Supra MK4 realistically. First, ensure you have a good set of pencils, quality paper, and a reliable eraser. Begin by sketching the fundamental geometric shapes that define the Supra's body, paying close attention to its unique proportions. This initial step is crucial for capturing the car's iconic stance and dynamic lines before adding finer details. Let's get started on those foundational outlines. Now, let's refine the details that make the Supra instantly recognizable. Carefully draw the distinctive headlights and taillights, ensuring their correct shape and placement. Move on to the iconic grille and bumper details. Don't forget the wheels. Their design and the way they sit within the arches are vital for realism. Finally, begin adding subtle reflections and shadows to give your drawing depth and a lifelike appearance. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this drawing tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, especially if you're driving a cool ride like a Supra. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your car smelling fresh. You can find the link for that and other awesome deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To truly bring your Supra drawing to life, mastering shading is key. Use a range of pencil hardnesses to create smooth transitions and define the car's curves. Pay close attention to how light hits the body, creating highlights and deep shadows. Experiment with different pressures to accurately represent the texture of the paint, glass, and tires. This careful application of tone will add incredible depth and realism to your artwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.